Welcome to my channel. Oh, it's so good to get out in nature. But this so far is a beautiful trail. It's right by the river. I'm going to an area called Hemlock Gorge. So I'm excited about visiting this area. It is considered sort of like a hidden gem. So thank you for joining me and coming along with me on this photography excursion. Let's go ahead and get the photography started. Wow. I'm not even at Hemlock Gorge yet, and look what I have found. I'm just amazed. So I'm going to continue on down to Hemlock Grove. I've got to walk over this little sketchy pile of wood here to get across the stream. So we'll see you in just a moment. I have come down a little ways from where that waterfall is, and I found these rock formations here that are very interesting. There are some waves in the rock, and what I'm doing here is framing this up so that the rocks are in the foreground and using as a leading line, and there are some, the way the rocks and the green are across the creek is at angles. And the way that I have this composed, it just looks really interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and take this photograph and I'll show it up in the screen. Let me come back on here. Oh, man, I didn't think I was going to get emotional. But gosh, I needed this. Have you ever been to like the mountains or some place that you're going to and you just have this sense of peace and calm and just the beauty? Well, that's what I feel now. I'm just overcome. Wow. I just had to break from my photography just to share with you how I was feeling. I'm glad you could come along with me on this little trip with me. It is just so beautiful. Oh. All right, well, let me get back trying to find some more photographs. For this shot, I am using this wall of rocks here and boulders as a leading line. I like all of this green moss here, and what it's doing is in tandem with the cliff on the other side, it's still pointing to the rapids at the top of my photo. So one of the things here that you want to do, and this is a good lesson, I've got my 10 to 24 on, is just look for compositions. Don't rush, don't hurry, just look for them and see what kind of interesting leading lines and foreground interest that you can use. What a wonderful day. I could get emotional again. I just really needed this. It's been so good. So I hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have. And hope you enjoyed the photographs. There will be a lot more. In fact, I've decided to go ahead and do a part 2 from this area. So I'll have that uploaded soon. But thank you for joining me. I hope I've instilled a desire to really get out and explore. So if you like my content, I invite you to please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. I love those comments, to read them, to interact. So click that bell notification icon if you want to know when I upload. As I mentioned in the last video, I'm going to be trying to be on a regular basis and uploading. So I look forward to sharing my future trips with you. But the next video is going to be at that waterfall. So I hope you'll come back and join me next time I upload my video and show you part 2. Alright, thank you so much for joining me again, and until the next time, bye.